Lisa Hype, Rosealee want our money. No, Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype, Rosealee want our money now. Me and Rosealee are going to Panama for her birthday and she want our money to make a player playing fair. Yeah, Lisa Hype, me and Rosealee are going to Panama for her birthday. I drew the Tory ban. June, the Tory ban, I will want the money to go to Panama. She want our money. No. She want our money. Lisa Hype, Rosealee want our money, Lisa Hype. Or if you put the woman or something and not pay the woman, she want our money now. We are going to Panama June, Tory ban June. We want the money. No. Fuck yourself with Rosealee, but we want the money. Now show you see me and Rosealee are teared on the blood clot internet. We want the money. We want the blood clot money, Lisa Hype. Run out the blood clot money for the woman in and make the woman dropping that over the woman blood clot money, Lisa Hype. One bomber clot, Derrick man says so. The woman want her blood clot money, Lisa Hype. We going to blood clot Panama. June coming for her birthday. She want her blood clot money. Yes.
But calm down and talk to you properly. I explain what I go on to you. I give Rosealee 50 grand a day for promote Soul Cry. She come in a cups up video. I tell her say I go give her next 50 grand for come in a cups up video. Now, them try clone me Scotia bank account. See, me have 3 accounts with Scotia. But them join together. Now, as me say, I put my father upon the senior citizen account. My sister hack my Google account. Me never give my card, but them take out 800,000 out of the senior citizen account without my permission. Now, Scotia can't do nothing about that because at the end of the day, I put my father's name on the account. So, me have to just call that a last because I done my father already. You see me? I done my father already. Good. Him gone with that. Fine. Me dey go lock up in blood clot, you know. But me nah bother. Now, before me leave and go foreign, last week Thursday, me drop off my suitcase them at my director house, Robin Chin. Now, him give stinking pussy vanity me suitcase them. Yeah, cause vanity pussy ever stink. Anytime she come round, you smell her pussy. And that are the girl who used to do my hair and my makeup. Him give she my suitcase them without my permission. Before me leave Wednesday, me and Robin Chin got the bank. Zine? Me and Robin Chin got the bank and me draw 385,000. Zine? Me make the teller give me 385,000 out of my account. And me change some in the US for carry with me go foreign. Change some in the US and me pay some bills with the Jamaican money. Yeah, me carry some US go foreign. Me left the bank statement where me get from Scotia Bank, New Kingston, in a me suitcase. When me go BMW and get the X6 and me go blood clot Benz, the GLE Benz when my boss buy me, the bank statement miss out of my suitcase them. So it's either the director or stinking pussy vanity take out my bank statement. That's why I want to say, yeah, where the Benz, where the Beamer? That's why I can't blood clot drive it out. Zine, Scotia Bank put a hold on the account because guess what? With Nova Scotia, you're safe with us. So them lock down the account because them realize say them drain out my account. No money not in my account. Them scam it out. So Scotia say me forgive them 180 days before them can fix things. What the blood clot me I go do? Me can fight the system. Me not for wait the 180 days. What no want me do? What you no want me to do? Government badness, Andrew Holness. Me bigger than Andrew Holness? Me bigger than Scotia Bank? Me have to sit down and wait patiently till them blood clot fix it and get back my money. Rosealee called me and I told her that I have to wait 180 days for my account to be recovered. When the blood clot, you come and tell me about keep it. You're not hungry. You're hungry, no blood clot. That's your problem. That's why you're big and fat. So you're yam too much. Fast and pray, so the pussy Rosealee. Go and fast and pray and try to lose some weight. There's nothing I can do. You have to just wait till Scotia fix things. Simple. That is what happened, people. Play about the song.
Me want my months to do my blood clot business. Me have pitney in my yard. Me not live in a blood clot way. Me want months to do my business. And I know me can get my pussy clot money. So I be a liver to them take a blood clot people. So them are entertain or whatever they want. So them look at boy tapping eyes the man. And them bumbo clots up that piss me off a morning. Come on, I'm a bumbo blood money. Need minds coming out to have bed. Why the fuck me for wait the 188 you buy a... Why the fuck me for wait the 188 you buy a blood clot jelly? You know. Why the fuck me for wait the 188 you buy a blood clot jelly? You in a blood clot me if you change how much in your style. You in a good clothes. Me need my bumbo clot money. Can I be mad you out, you know? I know me mad you out. And if you're mad and I have none for blood clot with me, me's not a cock. Me need my bumbo clot money. Come on, if a fool no take my blood clot for. I never want to go for that blood clot, girl, I know. Cause I know some head no blood cheaper than me mad blood clot her. I don't sit down and see people young boy picking and light them off. A man pound of blood. Me want my bumbo clot money coming and live in a pussy clot way. Me I try fix my toilet. Come and start my kitchen, me I fix my toilet. I'm a more bed. Me want sheet for bed. Me want sheet for buy more money for spend. Me I pick me I go to school. You take me, you know what burn me TikTok? Bitch, I take me from my blood clot begging, you know. This a bitch I take me from my blood clot begging. I know you tell me fuck around my blood clot ears. I not burn me, you know. You take me from my begging. Never does the one and be not do video shoot. Cause no artists like use people. But wait, 180 blood clot days. Don't question me. Master come beg you like, don't question me. If we wait 180 days. Alisa hype me attack. And she me attack. But you know what bothers me? Eat it. Tell her to put me a bar lighter. Yeah, eat it. Tell me a bar lighter. You know what bothers me? The woman tell me so she will give me money Wednesday. When you come over Dapper Studio, show over train line, I'm don't tell me something I walk over there. So that means say you have me money and spend it and you give away me money. Maxwell come near my moderator throw that bitch off on your son. You know, always, you know, I notice with some of the blood clot artists, you know, love to take disadvantage of blood clot people. Yes, so you go pay me my money. When me a weapon again, no you got to. When me a weapon again, no you got to. Me have to wait 180 more days because the bank froze. You know for talk about it. Come off from my blood clot phone, boy. You know for talk about every blood clot thing. I mean I cup thrown on the ushers. How you feel like say me a mascot? Me a come talk with my blood. Come talk with my blood clot platform on my crit. Big for the people for beware at some of the artists them. Cause this hype can't call me again. This hype can't call me again. Not even answer my blood clot phone. You understand? I'm not care who want mad for who not want mad. Cause you can't tell me so you go through mental breakdown when you go do a blood clot video shoot over Dapper blood clot studio Wednesday. You can't tell me that. You can't tell me, say. You know the money. And you go do one video shoot over Dapper Studio. You still have do video shoot and you don't have no blood clot money. Then you come on it, all vibes are going to take my courage serious. Eh? Me no can't tell who the blood clot or me. Who not thief. It is not going to come blood clot talk. I'm not gonna come blood clot talk. I'm not gonna come blood clot talk. Go to one of the Wi-Fi blood clot freeze. Blood clot freeze. Blood clot freeze. It's still a freeze, Munchie. It's still a freeze. Me want me money. Me want me money. Like you get it. You ask me what I do, I say I search for some clothes, think about my business. You tell me say you go buy me all clothes, you go buy me bed, I say Right? Right. Alright. You tell me say you go do one video shoot. I say okay then. You soon come check me. You there see you Wednesday in the night you call me. So you there see you up at Dapper Studio. I say to you say, okay then I walk come over train line. You say when you're done, you're gonna make me get my money. She said when she done, she gonna make me get my blood clot money. Bye, pass the charger and the plug.
The plug door in there,
Pass the charger. I know me can't get blood clot my own. She make me know so when she left I'm up, she called me. Me like